Question: the vertical component of a vector is equal to its horizontal component. What is the angle made by the vector with x-axis? From graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. X-axis A cos theta, y-axis A sin theta. Answer: consider a vector A is equal to AXI plus AYJ. X component AX is equal to A cos theta, y component AY is equal to A sin theta. Given data, horizontal component is equal to vertical components. So AX is equal to AY. So A cos theta is equal to A sin theta. So get A cancel. That implies sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. That is tan theta is equal to tan 45. Theta is equal to 45.